The automotive industry is evolving faster than ever before. Amidst this transformation, one thing has remained steadfast: innovation. Keeping the pace with progress and innovating to drive the new future of mobility is Uno Minda, driving the new. In the foothills of the Himalayas lies a powerhouse of energy and innovation, the Uno Minda battery manufacturing plant, located in Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. Strategically positioned to serve the nation with speed and scale, Pantnagar is the heart of our battery business, manufacturing with state-of-the-art automation and intelligent systems to deliver performance with assurance. Equipped with high-end automation and error-proof equipment from Japan, Korea, Taiwan and Italy, the plant produces a complete range of batteries for two-wheelers, four-wheelers and off-road vehicles. Supported by advanced testing facilities, a cutting-edge training center, sophisticated laboratories and dedicated R&D centers. The journey begins with the careful selection of high-quality lead and other essential components, ensuring the foundation of our batteries is built on superior material. Manufacturing starts with grid casting. Molten lead alloy is cast into grids that support the battery's active material with precision at every step. High precision casting forms durable battery grids. The ball mill process transforms raw lead into controlled oxide, enabling efficient paste preparation and superior battery electrochemical performance. Automated pasting precisely fills grids with active material, creating durable plates for long-lasting lead-acid batteries. Two-wheeler battery assembly is the final stage of lead-acid battery manufacturing, where individual components are precisely integrated to form a compact and reliable battery. Positive and negative plates are alternately stacked with separators to create plate groups, ensuring electrical insulation and efficient ion flow. These plate groups are inserted into battery containers and intercell connections are welded to achieve the required voltage. Then electrolyte is filled under controlled conditions to ensure consistent performance. The batteries then undergo formation charging, activating the active material and defining capacity. Finally, each battery is sealed, cleaned, tested and inspected to ensure durability, safety and dependable starting power for two-wheeler applications. Four-wheeler battery plate making begins with an automatic strip caster, producing uniform, high-quality lead grids with excellent dimensional accuracy. These continuous grids ensure consistent electrical conductivity and mechanical strength. The grids are then processed through a highly efficient expander pasting machine, where prepared active material is evenly applied and securely bonded. Automated control of paste weight, thickness and expansion ensures superior plate consistency. This advanced process enhances plate durability, corrosion resistance and overall battery performance required for demanding four-wheeler automotive applications. The process is followed by a plate enveloping machine that securely wraps plates with separators, ensuring electrical insulation and stability. An automated cast-on strap machine then welds the plates into strong, low-resistance groups with precise alignment. This automated group making process involves consistency, mechanical strength, and electrical reliability, supporting high performance and long-lasting four-wheeler automotive batteries. Intercell welding electrically connects battery cells, followed by heat sealing to ensure leak-proof construction and long-term operational safety. Final stage electrolyte is filled under controlled conditions to ensure consistent performance. The batteries then undergo formation charging. After the testing, our batteries are packed and are dispatched not just to our partners within India but also to the international markets. Beyond the production line, this facility also houses a modern training center which helps develop the skills and competency levels. Our dedicated state-of-the-art in-house laboratory plays a crucial role. Here, our experts constantly analyze materials and test battery performance in accordance to the different national standards for different markets. Our commitment continues with pre-dispatch inspection. Born in the heart of India, built with precision at Pantnagar, tested for every terrain, every journey. It's a promise of power, performance and above all, assurance. Because when you choose Uno Minda, you're not just powering a vehicle, you're driving the new Uno Minda batteries. Performance with assurance.